Here we go. This is from the Oracle documentation. When you create an index, or if Oracle creates one for you, it takes your rows and it organizes them in a pyramidal structure. Now, see what's going on here? Up at the top layer, the branch blocks, we have our rows being partitioned such that we have 1 through 40 in one level, 41 through 80 in a second, 200 through 250, and those don't actually contain data. Those just contain the key values. When we get down to the leaf level, we have the actual row data. So you see at the bottom level we have 0 through 10, and then we have 11 through 19. Why these are useful, these B-tree indexes are useful, is that if we were doing a query for, let's say, ID 1 through 100, we could just go down the B-tree, and by we I mean Oracle, it's Query Optimizer, and look down through the left-hand side of the B-tree to quickly get down to the appropriate leaf blocks where the data lives, and we could ignore all those other pages. Isn't that great? That's a very quick nutshell description of indexes. I'll have more to say about indexes in a future course where we do performance tuning and optimization, but this is enough to get you started, I think.